So what's great about the Alpha Mods live view camera is, say you have friends in the back, whatever, or it's foggy and you're going to dinner, you can see a whole lot more field of view with the camera being mounted on the roof. You don't have to worry about who's in the back seat or whatnot. The night vision's greatly improved. Rain, anything like that, you can see a lot better than you can with that. It's very discreet too on the roof. It's right in the antenna, clean, out of the way. Alpha Mods live view rear mirror. Another great feature is everybody knows how much the backup camera sucks, at least on the ATS. When people walk by, it looks like Mario figures. Don't mind all the dust here. But when you're backing up, a lot better range of view with that versus that.